Greetings from the era of extravagant road excursions. Presenting the 2026 Ford Motorhome, a groundbreaking concept that blends cutting-edge luxury and technology with legendary Ford dependability. At first glance, it appears sleek and aerodynamic due to its huge bespoke wheels, adjustable LED lighting, angular features reminiscent of Ford SUVs, and integrated solar panels on the roof for energy efficiency. The 2026 Ford Motorhome's cutting-edge drivetrain, which is most likely based on Ford's most recent innovations, lies behind its futuristic appearance. With a wide spectrum for endless investigation, it might be a quiet and eco-friendly all-electric drivetrain or a powerful and effective V6 EcoBoost hybrid engine. The modern and efficient high-tech cockpit greets you as soon as you enter. A high-resolution panoramic touchscreen that extends from driver to passenger and has the most recent SWAN-C entertainment system, sophisticated navigation, and fingertip control for all motorhome operations is the main feature of the dashboard. A straightforward and pleasurable driving experience is guaranteed with an ergonomic steering wheel with integrated controls and a digital instrument cluster that can be customized. Modern luxury is created by combining high-quality materials like metal trim, soft vegan leather, and repurposed wood accents. The primary internal space is a large, cozy, multipurpose lounge that embraces the open space concept and receives an abundance of natural light from the panoramic windows. Flexible arrangement is made possible by modular furniture. For example, an electric folding table may be used to form a large eating space, or a soft sofa can be converted into an additional bed. While an innovative air filtration system guarantees the best possible air quality within the cabin, a programmable LED ambient lighting system produces multiple ambiances. The interior's use of durable and environmentally friendly materials demonstrates Ford's dedication to sustainability without sacrificing design. The back bedroom space provides a tranquil haven. A top-notch orthopedic mattress on a queen or king-size bed guarantees great sleep. Huge windows with electronic shutters offer vast vistas or total solitude. Underbed storage, concealed drawers, and built-in closets keep everything organized. This bedroom is made more comfortable by an integrated smart TV, USB charging connections, and individual reading lights. The bathroom's ingenious layout maximizes both use and space. The bathroom has a high-pressure rain shower, a water-saving vacuum toilet, a designer sink with a sensory tap, and lovely ceramic tiles and waterproof surfaces. An LED-lit mirror, concealed shelves for storage, and an effective ventilation system are examples of contemporary and useful features. Every chef's fantasy when traveling is the kitchen in the 2026 Ford Motorhome. Included are high-end full-size appliances such as a compact dishwasher, a dual-zone refrigerator and freezer, a convection oven/microwave, and a 2-burner induction cooktop. Pull-out faucets and undermount sinks are examples of luxurious quartz surfaces. No matter where you travel, clever cabinets and storage drawers, like a separate cutlery drawer and an integrated garbage can, provide a neat and practical area for cooking delectable meals.